Rapid prototyping method. What is it? This method is associated with developing different concepts proposed through software or hardware prototypes for their subsequent evaluation. The development of prototyping of the future system is helpful, allowing users to visualize the system and report on it, used to clarify options on the user requirements and to specify details of the user interface. Rapid prototyping is described as a computer-based method that aims to reduce the iterative development cycle. Product designers use this process for rapid manufacturing of representative prototype parts. This can aid visualization, design, and development of the manufacturing process ahead of mass production. There are many tools for generating rapid prototypes, becoming as common as sequence of images in Microsoft PowerPoint or Visual Basic. Originally, rapid prototyping was used to create parts and skate models for the automotive industry, although it has since been taken up by a wide range of applications across multiple industries such as medical and aerospace. How do I do it? As usual, you will need to have enough time in advance to create the prototype. This for: design some tasks, gather users, conduct the evaluation of the prototype, and report on the results. On the other hand, the appropriate users will have to be selected for the prototype test, trying to cover a wide range of users within the target population. Realistic tasks will be prepared in which the users will be occupied while they work with the prototype. It is then necessary to conduct the session. The user is guided to work through the selected tasks, interacting and responding to the system appropriately. If required, additional information can be obtained by interviewing users immediately after the interaction with the prototype. Once the information gathered and observations made have been analyzed, summarized, and evaluated, the severity of the problems identified will be determined and the design guidelines and recommendations for improvements will be summarized, having the design team informed. It may be necessary to refine the prototype and repeat it above process. When should you use this technique? The prototypes created by this method present a high fidelity for the final product, which will be of interest in the development of software and websites and can occur throughout the entire cycle. What are the different types of rapid prototyping? Number 1, stereolithography. Number 2, selective laser sintering. 3, fused deposition modeling. 4, selective laser melting. 5, laminated object manufacturing. 6, digital light processing. And 7, binder jetting. Next, we have a video for you to better understand the topic of rapid prototyping. As we can see in the video, Tom Chi is a great promoter of rapid prototyping. According to him, the fundamental rules of rapid prototyping are: you have to find the fastest way to experience. Analyzing is not bad, but above all, you have to start and know how the product feels. Doing is the best way of thinking. The important thing is to test. Only then would you discover the advantages or disadvantages of your idea and find suitable solutions. Use materials that move at the speed of thought to maximize your learning pace. The more flexible the materials you use for the prototype, the easier it will be to adapt them to your ideas and see the results immediately. Finally, Tom Chi highlights another great quality of rapid prototyping, and that is that it allows us to learn at high speed, explore, and discover. It is what he calls expensive learning, which opens the doors to new inventions, in contrast to book learning, which focuses on what humanity has already done. Example: designing a website. 1. Invite employees of your organization to rapid prototyping sessions. Each of those prospects is a chance to learn, and there are more chances to try new things. 2. You'll be able to learn faster, quickly correct your failures, and course correct. 3. You will be able to make different versions of the product and learn which versions or which features work better. 4. Then, you will discard what did not work, put together all the features that work, and apply them to your website. And finally, number 5. Take all the ideas and knowledge from the rapid prototyping session and apply them in the future projects. That will be all. Thank you so much for your attention.